Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel My Simple Arabic Language. Today's lesson is connected with the last previous lesson, which it was about the lunar lamp and solar lamp. اللام القمرية واللام الشمسية. But in the last previous lesson it was too long and there is still section or still a part we didn't talk about it. It will be our lesson today. What is it? It's the differences between al as a group and alif plus lam as a separate letter. Each one of them, it comes in the word as an original letter in the word. So let's start it. Alif and lam as a group, and which we pronounce them al. This al is for definition. Al for definition. Al للتعريف. To change any noun word from undefined word to be defined word. And this al means the. Okay? But this alif, another thing. This alif without hamza. And we named it alif wasl or hamzat wasl. Alif wasl or hamzat wasl. But this alif as original letter, which if by occasionally it comes and it's followed by lam, we didn't treat with them as a group but as a separate letter. Each one of them, it's alone, it comes at the beginning of the word as this al, which come at the beginning of the word, but this as a group for definition, this as a separate letter which is followed by lam. So maybe confused some of us. Maybe some of us confused between this alif and lam and this alif and lam and think that they are the same, but they are not the same. This al for definition and it means the. It comes as the beginning of the noun to change the undefined word to be defined noun. Okay? But this alif, if it comes with and it's followed by lam, it's a separate letter. It's an original letter of the word and it's a part of the consisting of the word. Okay? So, let's see our examples. Here, the word is haram. Haram means pyramid. If I add the group of al-haram, haram, noun. If I add al, it will be al-haram. And this is lunar lam, lam qamariya. Al-haram, I write it and pronounce it. But lam shamsiya, solar lam, I write it and don't pronounce it. Al-haram means the pyramid. So, I can write haram, I can write al-haram. If I delete alif and lam, it will be from this word al-haram, it will be haram. The meaning not changed. Okay? That is the first difference. The second difference is that alif and lam as a group with the meaning of the, we pronounce it, we named it alif wasl or hamzat wasl, and this is the second difference between this al and this al. Okay? This is the first example. Let's see another example. Here, al-nimr. Sorry, an-nimr. An-nimr here, it's solar lam, lam shamsiya. We write it and don't pronounce it. An-nimr. And this is sign. Recognize me and let me know that this is lam shamsiya, shadda and any short vowel. An-nimr means the tiger. This is a defined word. If I delete this alif and lam, it will be nimr. Undefined word, nimr, tiger, any pyramids. Okay? So this al and this al, if it's lunar lam or solar lam, it's a group of al, which means the, and it's for definition. It comes as the beginning of any noun and I can delete it with no changing in the meaning. But in the other hand, this alif and lam, alif here at the beginning of the word, lam here, it's followed, it comes a second letter after alif. So alif is followed by lam as an original letter in the word. What did I mean? I mean that if I want to spell the word, I'll say this word, I'll pronounce it alhan. Alhan. Spell it alif, lam, ha, alif, and noon. Alhan means melodies, and it's noun. So occasionally that alif comes at the beginning of the word, and it's followed by lam, but it's not al, which as a group, which means the. Just letters as a part of the consisting of the word. Okay? If I delete this alif and this lam to make a difference, to recognize the differences between this word and this word, and to recognize the differences between them, and you can know the differences between them. If I delete this alif and lam, delete them, what will remain from the word? I have ha, alif, noon. Ha, alif, noon, hayana. Alhan, noun. Ha, alif, noon, its word means hana. Hana, it's a verb. It's a verb in past simple tense, means came. Hana, equal. Ja'a means came. Okay? Alhan, melodies, noun. Hana, came, verb. So I can't delete this alif and lam because it's a part of the word. The meaning is completely changed. Okay? Another example. Alwan. Alwan. Alwan means colors. And the description of it, it's noun. If I delete this, it's a part, it's original letters of the word. I can't delete this alif and lam. The meaning is completely changed. If I delete this alif and lam, what will the word it be? It will be when. Wow, alif, noon. But if I spell it as original word, alif, lam, wow, alif, noon. If I delete alif and lam, it will be when, wow, alif, noon. No description, no meaning. Okay? The third example with me, alban. Alban means dairy. Alban, it's the description of the word, it's a noun. If I delete this alif and this lam, it will be ban. Here, alif, lam, ba, alif, noon. Alban. If I delete them, it will be ban. Alban, noun. Ban, verb. This is its description. What does it mean? It means appeared. It's a verb in the past simple tense, means appeared. And that is our story for today, or our lesson for today. The differences between alif plus lam as a group and alif plus lam if it comes at the beginning of the word by occasionally, and it's not group by its separate letters. It comes in its place. It comes as each one of them as original letter in the word. This called it alif wasl or hamzat wasl, and this alif with hamza I called it alif qata' hamzat qata'. Okay, that is the differences between al for definition and alif and lam if it comes at the beginning of the word as an original letters of the word, in order not to be confused, and you can recognize them and well the differences between them. That was our lesson for today. I hope I hope it was easy. Thank you for watching, and see you later.